Wow, that's what I call a racing car, right? The Corsa GSE Vision Gran Turismo is a performance beast. With 2 electric motors, it delivers instant power and torque, launching from 0 to 100 in just 2 seconds, and onto a top speed of 300 kilometers per hour. So fast, you won't even have time to say OMG. And just as its engineering and performance pushes boundaries, so does its next level of design. For that, over to you, Mike.
Thanks, Rebecca. So here it is, our vision of the future of GSE, and of course, much more. As mentioned earlier, we deliberately chose our favorite small car, the Corsa, as the basis of our inspiration, bringing small car agility with the max of everything. You've already heard about the fantastic potential performance of this concept, so now let's talk about the exciting design. This concept not only represents our vision for GSE, but we also take a confident step forward with our bold and pure design language. So let's go take a closer look. Of course, the very first thing you see is the very strong illuminated compass that we have, with this center line lining up with our traditional center peak that we have in all of our cars. But this vehicle is about contrast. Much like our bold and pure language, this is about strong contrast. And for example, when you look at the white areas with this fluidity and sculpture, and yet still structured precision, combined with these very graphic technical areas in the yellow and black here in the lower areas. But these areas of contrast are there for a very deliberate reason. We're a German company and we do things with purpose. So if you look at those functional technical areas, they perform a very strong role. And let me just talk you through some of the key aerodynamics. For example, from down low, you can get the airflow of the car to really optimize over the top of the vehicle here, really giving fantastic optimal performance. And then using these very precise, pronounced fenders that are done in a sustainable material, these also guide the airflow down this very dramatic body side here. And then talking of dramatic, the separation of that airflow is done with 2 dramatic elements here, with it the roof spoiler and the venturi duct here really extend to give the ultimate aero drag performance, but within the game you can also see that this acts as an air brake. So again, really tied to the performance of the car itself.